Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Fillet in AutoCAD PC. I already showed you how you can do it in the web version and I feel like you are owed to know how to create fillets also on a PC because it's a little bit different. So let's try it out together. The UI looks completely different, that's probably what you saw. And it's basically very close program to what it actually happened. Okay, so I'm gonna create some kind of object. This object is going to be this beautiful little, it's not a cube, but you get it, literally whatever which has angles in 90 degrees. Right now we can either go and write down fillet, which will give us an fillet option straight away. And right now what we need to do, we have fillet, select first object or undo, which will literally cancel the action, polyline, radius, trim or multiple. If we go with multiple, obviously you can go and multiple all of the angles, but right now we want to go straight away to radius. At the moment, when you'll start, the radius will be 0, but we want to, for example, make it 20. So we are going to easily write down 20. And let's select the first line. And now we can just go and pick the neighboring line, just like that. Whoops. If we want to repeat the action, just press enter, select the line, and then select another line. Then hit enter, select this line, and as you can see the fillet radius is too large, so make sure that you are using bigger objects or smaller fillets. So we can go with fillets, okay, radius we are going to 10, and when we go with 10 we should be able to make the fillet happen. You see, beautiful. So we have this, can be mouth or something like that, already created. That's how easily you can create fillet, guys. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. And if you have any types of questions, please leave them underneath this video and I'll try to answer you as quickly as I can. As you can see, we have a couple of projects going on. I'm going to show you all of it to make yourself a pro in AutoCAD. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.